Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to see deleted WhatsApp messages on Samsung phones. So here I have an iPhone and here is a Samsung phone, and I will send a message on WhatsApp from iPhone to Samsung, and here I will write how are you, and also I miss you. Okay, and now I will send the message, and here there is. Okay, and now suppose that this message was deleted, and here I will tap delete and delete for everyone. As you can see, the message was deleted, and the question is how to see this message. So on Samsung phone you can do it. For that, just go on your phone to settings, and here tap on notifications. Swipe down and go to advanced settings, and here we have notification history, and if you have this option enabled, here is the message: how are you, I miss you. I don't know if this feature is also available on another Android phones. You can write me in the comment area if you know it. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe, and see you to the next one. Have a nice day.